What's up, guys? Today we're gonna go take our mini bike that we rebuilt last summer. We're gonna take it out of hibernation. Hasn't been started up ever since early fall last year. So let's go. We just walked back here. Let's go get this thing. Okay, guys, so we found the thing. Doesn't look the best. Got some storms, blew the cinder blocks around, blew a couple trees down. We got some lease on it, but that engine's still looking nice and fresh as usual. Carburetor's looking nice. Don't have any gas in it right now, so let's get this thing going. Okay, guys, we got it back to the house, cleaned it up a little bit more. So make sure the kill switch is on. The kill switch is on. Okay, let's start this baby up. Locked up a little.
No way it starts on the first pull.
Oh, let's go get gas. Forgot, guys.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, so we just got a nice full tank in there. So should be good now. Let's go. Hey, that's what happens, guys, when you install hot cams on a mini bike. So let's try this again. Ready?
Yep. Okay, we got some work to do.
Let's go. Hey, let's go tune up this. Oh, let's turn that choke on. Okay. Go.
You want me to pull it? I'll pull it for you.
Okay. Well, that's not looking good.
Either this over here. Come look at this.
Our chain
This
popped
all
off
busted
too.
off. Chain popped.
Our chain tightener completely bent.
Man, the motor's good, but the drivetrain is.
So
certainly
let's go
lacking.
fix this baby up. Okay, guys, so we got our chain tensioner back good. It was a little bit bent, so now we're filling up the back tire. So that was flat. I think we got it back on here too. Oh yeah, it's good, better than ever. So, okay, well, promise we'll get some content for you guys. So let's go. Okay guys, so what we're gonna be doing in the future is how to wheelie video, NOS upgrades, maybe even a drag build. And also, our 100,000 subscriber, if we hit there one day, we'll be getting this bike for free. Let's go.